If you are searching for a Surfshark coupon code, you are in the right video, because here I am going to share 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now. If you want more videos on that topic, simply comment down below, or any other coupon code for any website or services, simply comment down below. So I'll create a new video for you. So this coupon code is working in all countries. So how you can use it? Simply add this coupon code on the checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and conditions of that coupon code. So if it is working for you, just hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, because it takes time to find working coupon code. So here is a full fresh coupon code which is working right now, where you will get amazing discount. So here we go.